Harrisia cactus is a native of South America, particularly Argentina and Paraguay, and was introduced to Australia as a garden plant in the 1890s. It was recognised as a serious pest in the Collinsville district of Queensland in 1935. By 1950, it was rapidly spreading south. It has become a serious problem in southern Queensland and has spread across the border into the Boggabilla and Yetman areas of New South Wales, with sporadic outbreaks further south, no doubt caused by people picking the plant up and using it in gardens. Dense infestations of Harrisia have the ability to choke out pasture, while the sharp spines can cause painful injury to animals or humans. Even light infestations of Harrisia can render pasture country unsuitable for stock and hinder operations such as mustering. The cactus is shade tolerant and reaches its maximum development in the shade and shelter of tree lines or scrub. Harrisia cactus is a perennial plant with spiny, fleshy stems that are jointed and form tangled mats of up to half a metre high. Each section has 6 ribs running lengthways, with each rib having low, thick, triangular humps at regular intervals. These humps have cushions of grey, felty hairs, 3 to 5 short spines lying flat, and 1 to 3 erect, stiff and very sharp spines up to 3 centimetres long. The large flowers open during the night. They are white and funnel-shaped, growing singly near the end of the stems on a slender, spineless tube 12 to 15 centimetres long. Harrisia cactus fruits prolifically, bearing a bright red fruit 4 to 5 centimetres wide, containing 400 to 1,000 seeds. The fruit contains seed that is encased in a sweet, sugary pulp and is readily consumed by birds and, to a lesser extent, wild pigs, with seed germinating readily after rain from the droppings of these animals. Juvenile plants quickly produce a swollen, tuberous food storage root that develops more as the plant grows. The plant can produce seed by 6 months of age. Branches take root where they touch the soil, and new plants may grow from broken branches and sections of the underground tubers. The deep tuberous root system allows the plant to survive even if the above ground parts are killed off. Control can be carried out by ploughing, but this is considered ineffective unless follow-up operations are carried out. Chemical application can be effective, but follow-up work must be done in order to achieve complete control. The most successful biological control to date is an insect known as mealybug, which has been introduced to the core infestation areas of New South Wales. It congregates and feeds in the tips of the stems and buds, limiting growth and causing distortion and knotting of the stem. The plant responds by utilising energy reserves from the tuber to produce new growth. The result is the plant's viability is reduced, and the plant may even die from being unable to support the continuous high energy demands placed on it. The mealybug is dispersed by wind, but human assistance may be required for it to spread continuously, especially to widespread or isolated infestations. Harrisia is a highly invasive weed, and a concerted effort should be made to keep the land free of this garden menace. And remember, if you suspect you have Harrisia cactus growing on your property, contact your local weeds officer for further advice.